is John Perkins. I'm a business rep here with the Michigan Regional Council of Carpenters and Millwrights, and my job is to provide opportunities for those looking to start their career as a carpenter or millwright. So for those that don't know what a carpenter or a millwright is, so when you think about a carpenter, individuals think of someone that builds a house. Yes, we do those things, but many more. He said we pride ourselves being one trade with multiple craft. So on our commercial side, our commercial carpenters indulge in concrete formwork, bridge building, metal studs and drywall, flooring, VCT tile, acoustical ceiling, and the list goes on. A lot of times individuals don't tie welding to carpentry, right? Because again, that mindset of a carpenter, the first thing you think about is wood. But from building bridges, to building stadiums, to building skyscrapers, right? Another cool thing underneath the welding aspect is underwater welding. We have an international training facility out in Vegas that allows our members to go out there to get that more intricate, advanced training that we probably couldn't do on a local level. So again, the magnitude of what we work on, a lot of individuals wouldn't think that concrete formwork was a carpenter's task, right? When you think about the foundation wall of your house, that's your foundation. When you think about your basement wall in your house, that's your foundation wall. So when you think about all of these huge buildings that are being built, they have to start with a foundation, and carpenters are at the forefront of doing that work. And for our millwright craft, when you think about the automotive industry, right, the conveyors that actually carry the cars down the line, our millwrights actually install those conveyors. They pride themselves in being a trade that works on anything that rotates, so any machinery that rotates, from pumps to turbines to even windmills. Yep, so when I started, I was 20 going on 21. Absolutely. So when you think about when I was in high school, if I would have known about these opportunities earlier on, I could have started my career journey at the age of 18. I was still considered the youngest one on the job site, but I felt that because skilled trades wasn't pushed that much in high school, it was college they were pushing, that I missed out on those 2 years. And that story is like many of our members in our industry. If they would have known this earlier, they would have started their career journey as a carpenter or a millwright. And when I reach out to high school students and high school counselors now, I educate not just the student but the counselor, letting them know that construction, skilled trade careers in college are not one lesser than, but both are equal paths. We consider ourselves the other 4-year degree. The difference between us and college is, you get paid to be here, right? And instead of having $100,000 in debt, you have $100,000 in your pocket after you graduate, after your 4-year apprenticeship. Construction is at its all-time high, especially here in the city of Detroit. We have about $12 billion worth of active work going on in the city of Detroit, and that's not even including the work that's not even on the books yet. And another number that we tend to focus on at this moment is 30% of our active members are eligible for retirement today. So when you think about the opportunities and you think about those men and women leaving the workforce, we want to make sure that we educate our future young leaders to step up to the plate, obtain that skill set, and actually start pursuing that career choice of his or her desire. As of right now, the pay to be a carpenter and millwright, we get paid decent amount of money. First year apprentice starting off with no knowledge, no experience at all at today's date will make $19.34 an hour for their first year. And after that first year is up, every 6 months after that, they get a raise. Again, the apprenticeship program is a 4-year program. They go to school twice a month, and the contractors are paying them to be here to learn that training. So once they obtain their journey person's card, as of to date, that rate is at $35.16. And that's just base wage. So when we're talking about the benefits, right, your health care, your vision, your dental, your pension, and your annuity, that's about another $30 an hour that our contractors are paying into. So the total package for a union journeyman carpenter is about $60 to $65 an hour. So it's some decent money. For individuals that are interested in pursuing that career and starting that apprenticeship, come down to our apprenticeship school right here on 96 and Grand River, 11687 American Street, Detroit, Michigan. And you can ask for me when you get here. Again, my phone number is 248-602-8933. We would love to have you. Anyone that's interested in pursuing that career, why not start that journey now?
Rain Risa, Department of Workforce Development, Career Tech Education, Adult Education, and Career Counseling. Educate, equip, elevate.